because we talked about, entrepreneurship, venture building, I would say don't believe the hype as well. Do your
Yeah.
research. Again, I always bring back everything to the education I want to give to my
Mhm.
daughter, and I'm so worried that she will drink that Kool-Aid of how easy it is, how everything is on a
Mm,
clear trajectory, and
mm.
which is not. Don't be a venture snob versus a corporate. Any success is legit. I don't see one better than the other because there's also that team entrepreneur, team corporate. No,
Yeah.
any
Yeah.
success at anything you do is valid and should be recognized. And then I would say be a lifelong learner. Like never stop learning.